Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to share with you a very interesting options trading strategy that you can trade on the road to the budget 2022. So we know the budget is going to be announced on the 1st February 2022, right? And in this video I'm going to show you an options buying trading strategy that you can implement, and it has shown some good results last year, and I'm going to show you how you can trade this particular setup. So here we go. Great, let's dive into the budget week options trading strategy. Now we are going to trade in the Bank Nifty index. Okay, we are going to enter on 25th Jan 2022, which is a Tuesday, at 9:30 a.m. So what you need to do is you're going to just buy at the money plus 1000 call option and at the money minus 1000 put option. So we are going to essentially buy OTM call and put option 1000 points away from the current market price, and we are going to purchase the contracts for 3rd February 2022 expiry. For those of you who don't know what at the money, in the money, out of the money are, let's try and do it with an example. Let's see on the 25th of Jan, right, at 9:30, Bank Nifty is trading at 38,000. Okay, so all that you need to do is you need to just buy 39,000 call option 3rd February contract, okay, and you are going to buy 37,000 put option 3rd February contract, right? So you are going to buy it, and your option setup is going to be like this. Okay, it's going to show you some break evens. This was the payoff chart for last year. And what is the exit rule that you're going to follow? You're going to book profits when 50% of the options value. So in our case, it was 300 plus 300 that we assumed, right? So the total value of the option is 600. So when 300 is achieved, you exit. Okay, so I'll just try and simplify it in the next slide. If this 50% is not achieved, then you hold till end of 1st February with no stop loss. Cool. Okay, now the capital required would be close to 15,000 to 20,000, and the profit target, as I said, would be 50% on our deployed capital. So in our case, in the last year, in fact, it was 16,000, that was the capital requirement. So the profit target would have been 8,000. If you reach 8,000 before the budget day, we exit. Else we carry till the end of the budget day. That's pretty much it. Okay. Now I'm going to show it to you with the help of a simulator, right? So what you need to do is just go to 25th Jan 2021. Okay, cool, and you're going to select at the money here, and 4th February contract date, because that was the next expiry, in fact, for including the budget day, in fact. So you're going to, so the at the money price was 31,500, right? You're going to select call option plus 1000, 32,500, and put option minus 1,000, which is 30,500. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So the options value was 16,097. So this is our maximum loss, right, which is the options value. So our profit target would be 50% of this value, which is 8,000 approximately, right? And let's see. Yeah, there you go. Now I'm just progressing and seeing what happens when we reach our target. So we reach 61807742, and on Thursday, which is January 28th, we already got our target. Had we not got our target at this particular moment, what we would have had to do is we would have had to carry this position till end of 1st February 2022, right? That's what we would have had to do if this profit target wouldn't have reached, right? So yeah, that's essentially the strategy. I hope this strategy makes money in this particular year as well. Okay, and I hope you found this video useful as well, and do let me know how you liked it in the comment section.